Good morning, everyone. For today's lessons, we are now on the Module 2, the Societal Issues Lesson 1, which is the Agarian Reform in National Development. And as of this moment, this is the pre-recorded of my report. My name is Shirley Joy Ligo, your reporter as of this moment. After the lessons, students are expected to first is analyze the concept of Agarian reform in the country. Second is evaluate its objective and key features in addressing agrarian issues and claims of landless farmers and sound rural development. And lastly is to provide conclusion in the importance of societal justice and rural development through CARP. Philippines is widely known as an agricultural country. Most of its resources are found in the variety of farmland and land forms. Since Philippines are one of the most agricultural country in the world, we have a lot of resources and product that we are found in our land. Just like the major product of our nation, we have the farmland of mangoes, sugarcane, bananas, pineapple, mangoes, rice, and coconut. We can see it on the pictures. I even provide pictures which we can see how the Philippines are being agricultured by the Filipino. Our government has been provided an act, which is the Republic Act number 6657, an act institutioning a comprehensive agrarian reform program, or also known as CRP, to promote social justice and industrialization, providing a mechanism for its implementation and for other purposes. Sa batas na ito, ipinapanukala na ang reformang pangsakahan upang mapaunlad ang ating ekonomiya at ganun din ang ating bansa. This act shall be known as the Comprehensive Agarian Reform Law of 1988. It is the policy and the state of to pursue the CRP, the welfare of the landless features and farm workers which receive the highest. Conclusion: to promote social justice and to move the nation through rural development and industrialization. Agrarian reform means redistribution of lands, regardless of the crops of fruits produced, to support services defined to lift the economic status of the beneficiary. Some other arrangement alternative to the physical redistribution of land are such as the production of profit sharing, labor administration, and the distribution of the shares of stocks. Ang programang reformang pangsakahan ay nakasalig sa karapatan ng mga magsasaka at regular na mga manggagawa sa bukid na walang mga lupa, na tuwiran o sama-samang nagmamay-ari ng mga lupaing kanilang sinasaka o sa kalagayan ng iba pang mga mamayan. Kaya binibigyan ng pag-asa yung mga iba na walang mga lupa. Binibigyan sila ng lupa upang ito ay sakahan. At magdedepende ito sa kanilang napagsang-ayunan. It matters kung base doon sa production na ang iyong tinanim. Kung maganda ba? So, meron ding iba na hahatiin ang kita depende sa produkto na kanilang sinasaka. Land conservation. Land conservation is the process of protecting natural land and returning developed land to its natural states. In land conservation, it can help us to manage and protect watersheds and wetlands. It is also reducing water pollution and air pollution. We can make it by tree planting or making our land spaces and preserve open and green spaces so that the land can be conserved and preserved for the new generation. We have a question here. Why it is important to protect land? So for me, it is important to conserve land and open spaces which can provide habitat for native plants and animals. It enhances ecosystem services, provide and protect wildlife habitat, particularly in for rare animals or for those endangered species. One of the benefits in land conserving is we have the two factors, which is the fish and wildlife. One of the benefits in land conserving is we have the two factors, which is the fish and wildlife habitat. Trees along stream help keep the water. Trees along stream help keep the water that provides food, water cover, and okay, just like for the fish, they need a cool, fresh, non-polluted water so that they can survive and produce. And for the trees, they provide an extremely temperature under the water. It makes them produce and spread. Also for okay, just like for the fish, they need a cool, fresh, non-polluted water so that they can survive and produce. And for the trees, they provide an extremely temperature under the water. It makes them produce and spread. Also for and next is we have the outdoor recreation. So what does it mean? Outdoor recreation refers to the leisure activities that take place in the natural setting and benefit the body, mind. And next is we have the outdoor recreation. So what does it mean? Outdoor recreation refers to the leisure activities that take place in the natural setting and benefit the body, mind. Since we conserve more land habitat, people were likely to explore and discover new places. Since we conserve more land habitat, people were likely to explore and discover new places. As we can see on the picture, I've been provided it. We can see a lot of activities that we can do on land habitat. As we can see on the picture, I've been provided it. We can see a lot of activities that we can do on land habitat. So I think this will be the end of our lessons. Mr. Markley will continue the topic. Thanks for watching.